Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by connecting the primary Google Mesh router to your modem and powering both devices. This gives your network its gateway. Open the Google Home app and sign in, because the app handles provisioning and firmware updates for you. You should place the router centrally in the home to maximize coverage. Avoid metal, thick concrete, and microwaves. Once done, follow the app prompts to add a device. The app will scan a QR code or detect the router automatically, so be ready to allow Bluetooth and location permissions. Now you add satellite points to extend coverage. You'll place them roughly one room apart so the backhaul stays strong. In the Google Home app, tap Add, then Set Up Device. Follow each point's on-screen instructions, wait for firmware updates, and watch for the solid LED that signals a successful connection. Make sure to configure your SSID and password, enable a guest network if needed, and assign device priorities for streaming or gaming. Once configured, run the built-in mesh test to verify signal strength between. Finish by running the mesh and speed tests inside the app so you can see real performance across rooms. This tells you if a node needs to move. Make final tweaks. Rename devices for easy identification, enable parental controls or scheduled pauses, and set port forwarding only when required. If connectivity issues arise, reboot the modem and primary unit first, then move problematic nodes closer to the hub. If problems persist, check firmware versions and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This clears misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.